Stocks surge as Washington signals a possible end to the Iran conflict today. Welcome. This is Daily Market in 3 minutes. Let's dive in Wall Street. The S&P 500 surged nearly 3% to close near 6,530. The Dow jumped over 1,100 points to 46,300. The Nasdaq spiked almost 4% to eclipse 21,500. The Magnificent Seven soared. Nvidia jumped almost 6%, Meta skyrocketed 7%, and Alphabet climbed over 5%. Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, and Tesla all posted solid gains between 3 and 5%. 10 of 11 sectors rose today, led by technology, while utilities stood as the only losing sector. Bitcoin traded near $67,900, up 2%. Gold climbed 3% to $4,700 an ounce, and silver soared 7% to $75. WTI crude oil slipped 1% to $101 a barrel. The massive relief rally was ignited by unexpected signals out of Washington today. President Trump indicated a willingness to end military hostilities with Iran, even if the Strait of Hormuz remains partially restricted. This sudden hope for de-escalation drove investors to aggressively buy back into equities, easing the stagflation fears that had hammered markets all quarter. Technology caught an extra boost after Nvidia announced a $2 billion strategic investment in Marvell Technology to accelerate artificial intelligence infrastructure. This partnership sent Marvell shares up 13% and fueled the broader tech rotation, pushing the Nasdaq higher. Unilever confirmed it will merge its global food business with McCormick in a massive $65 billion deal. However, McCormick stock tumbled 6% as investors worried about integration risks and the heavy premium paid during a period of slowing organic growth. The 10-year Treasury yield settled near 4.3%, while the 10- and 2-year yield spread hovered at 31 basis points. The US dollar index pulled back to 99.7, and the VIX volatility index plunged 17% to 25. This retreat clearly reflects traders unwinding their defensive positions as geopolitical panic subsides. The CNN Fear and Greed Index sits at 13, indicating extreme fear. This historically low reading suggests maximum pessimism, which contrarian investors often view as a prime opportunity to buy quality stocks at a discount. Looking ahead, the market outlook remains a state of fragile stabilization. While today provided a much-needed relief valve, underlying technical damage and the looming threat of prolonged energy disruptions mean volatility will likely stay elevated. In the coming days, investors will closely watch Nike, which reports its third-quarter earnings after the closing bell today. Then, all eyes turn to the U.S. employment situation report on Friday, April 3rd, where analysts brace for a weak jobs number following last month's unexpected payroll contraction. As always, this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.